Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Phil the True Tech Dad, and today I am doing the part 2 of the installation of my wall mount here. Now, as you can see, I've already put the Vesser mount on. It wasn't that hard. I actually put it on, used a little bit of used the pieces that came with it, so it's on here now, and it's not moving anywhere. So what we're going to do is now put the monitor on here and get it on there. As you can see, this is on the wall. It's not moving anywhere. So we're going to just go ahead and put this up here. Yeah, I put some pictures and stuff up on the wall. But we're going to get it up there, and I had to put it on a towel here because I didn't want to scratch up the monitor at all. So it's going to be kind of heavy, and I suggest everybody to use a two-man team on this. It's pretty well, depending on the size of monitor that you have. This is I'm putting a 34-inch ultra wide on here, and let me see, turn it a little bit this way. Let's see. Yeah, two-man team. It'd be the best at getting this on here. Sucker's heavy. Alright, I think I got it on there. Not sure if I do or not. No, I don't. Not completely on there. Ooh, that was scary. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, now you're going to want to listen for a clicking sound. And I'm not hearing a clicking. Well, maybe I should bring it down here. See if that works. Alright, try this again. Let's see here. Two-man team. I don't have anybody else here to help me out here. Alright, let's try this again. Well, okay, there we go. Now it's on there. So, alright, not moving, not coming out. There we go. It's on there. So what we gotta do now, let's get this screw right here, and we gotta put it on the back. What I'll do is get this and put it there. I'm gonna leave the back. It comes with the back, but I'm gonna leave it off because that way I can put the pieces on when I can. And this right here, ooh, is what keeps it in place. So it doesn't come off. And you'll tighten it a little bit, not too much, not too hard. That way it'll adjust. So don't tighten it up too much because you want it to be able to actually pivot to when you want it to. But that's just to keep it in spot, in its spot and in its place. And as you can see, it's going up and down. You might want to adjust it so it doesn't go too much, too fast, too hard. Alright, let me show you here what it does. Now it's in its place. So with my monitor now, it's able to pivot down and up, and also I'm able to move it up and down. I may have to tighten it up a little bit. So as you can see, I can move it around, actually get it out the way. That way I have room so I can use more table space when I need it. More desk space when I need it. And as you can see, it moves where I need it to move. I need to go over there. It's over there. Move it over here a little bit. Move it up in the corner. Oh, I need to tighten it a little bit, just because it's moving a little bit too much. And then when I need to bring it down, it moves. Be able to turn it. This thing's awesome. Look at that. See? You're able to do what you want, put it out the side, do what you need, and then just have it in front of you. So this is the installation of the Omnimount Play40 wall mount. So hopefully you liked the rest of this installation. Had some hiccups there just before, but hey, we'll leave them in there. And this is it. I do hope you did like the finished result. You should get one. It's a space saver, and I really enjoy it. Also, you really don't. I mean, it's nice. Plus, with my editing, I can use this monitor, and if I don't need this monitor, I can just put it out the way. Use my laptop, and put my game system. I can put it here. Put multiple game systems here, and use this like that. So, I am Philip the True Tech Dad. I do hope you like this video of the finished result of my installation for the Omnimount Play40 and full motion wall mount. So, again, I am Philip the True Tech Dad. If you did like this video, please press that like button. If you have any comments, please leave some comments. I like comments. I like when y'all ask me questions, I can fulfill those questions for you. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. It helps me get more subscribers so I can get more videos out to y'all. And again, have a good day. We'll see you later.